This puzzle's not just about fitting the pieces into the frame, but you have to figure out how to get the pieces out before you can even solve it. This puzzle looks quite simple, just get the pieces into the frame. So if we get this piece in on the bottom, we can get this square in beside it. Then we can take one more piece and place it in like this. So now that we have these pieces in, we should just be able to rotate the next set in. So if we just place the exact same way on the top, we can get this piece in like this. But now if we just try rotate these pieces together, you can see these pieces in the back are getting in the way, and there's going to be no way to get these top pieces to rotate in. So instead, think about it in a different way. This is the bunk bed puzzle. It is a level 8 on the Puzzle Masters difficulty scale, which runs from 5 to 10. And the goal is just to fit all the pieces into the frame. It is designed by Theo Geerinck Symen Hovinga and printed by Puzzle Guy. To get the bunk bed puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca. So to start off with, we're going to take this piece, place it in the top, and rotate it into the frame. Now that leaves a perfect space to fit this piece in, and then now we can just push it off to the side. Next, we're going to take this piece, place it in like this, and rotate it to the back of the puzzle. Now that it's in the center in the back there, we can take this last L, place it in through the front, and place it on the top of the puzzle. Then we can push this piece in and place it off to the right hand side. That leaves a perfect space to fit these last 2 squares into the bunk bed frame. To get the bunk bed puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca, and to see more fun puzzle solves like this, click this video right here.